Looks will open doors for you, but it's not gonna keep the doors open. Okay. If yun lang ang kaya mong gawin, honestly guys, once you have money, madali na talagang magpaganda. Okay. You need this, you need skills, you need diskarte, you need sipag, and you need character or at least an interesting personality. Kasi kung tinitingnan ko naman yung mga pinaka-successful na influencers, hindi naman talaga sila yung pinakamaganda. They have other qualities like talino, galing sa negosyo, galing sa pagsasalita. Because honestly guys, when it comes to looks, that's the most basic talaga. Mas mahirap pa rin maging matalino. Kasi iilang percentage lang ng tao yan. Okay? So, I always remind women no, that to develop other qualities. Kasi dito sa Philippines, ang napansin ko is, yes, sagana tayo sa glutathione supplements. Bawat buwan may bagong brand ng gluta, may bagong brand ng collagen. Pero what are other qualities you have? Okay. Ano yung ibang qualities na meron ka for you to stand out? Ano? Ano yung meron ka? May sipag ka ba? May talino ka ba? May diskarte ka ba? Magaling ka ba magbenta? Okay. Like for me, as a beauty affiliate, no? Pag may nagme-message sa akin na brand, okay, can we collaborate with you? Usually, pinanood na nila yung videos namin. Tinitingnan nila, marunong ba siyang mag-explain? Okay. Alam ba niya yung sinasabi niya? Okay. Maniniwala ba yung tao sa kanya kapag siya ang nag-promote? Kasi ako, pag ako ang nag-promote ng product, bago ko pa i-promote yan, na-test ko na yung product ng isang linggo. Skincare yan, okay, supplement yan. At saka usually sinasabi ko sa CEO na, hey, kailangan ubusin ko muna yung product mo. Okay, hindi ko i-promote yan na, hindi ko gagawan ng video yan na wala akong, okay, tinake or hindi ko inubos yung bote. Kaya hindi ako loyal sa isang brand. Okay, kasi pag iisang brand yung loyalty mo, Diyos ko Lord, you missed out on a lot of other products. Okay? So as a beauty affiliate, guys, I'm speaking as a beauty affiliate, not as a consumer. So, yun lang. Yun ang wag na wag niyong kakalimutan, yung you need other qualities din. Kasi yung iba, parang dun na lang yung focus nila is beauty. Kailangan mo pa rin ng utak, girl. Kailangan mo pa rin ng ano, kailangan mo pa rin ng sipag. Pag ikaw yung puro beauty, beauty, beauty ka, girl, hindi mauubusan ng maganda dito sa mundo. Meron at merong masihigit sa'yo as in. Ingatan mo ang balat mo at buhok mo na parang puso mo. Kung paano mo ingatan ang puso mo, ganun mo din dapat ingatan ang buhok mo at ang balat mo. Okay. Alam nyo ba nung summer, 'di ba? Hindi ako nag-travel mga ano, kasi ayoko maarawan. Kasi yun yung kasagsagan na ang dami kong tinitest na glutathione from different brands. Okay. So, syempre, sayang naman yung glutathione na yun. Tatlong brand yung nagpadala eh. Hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa nauubos yung mga glutathione at saka collagen. Yung collagen na iba, ubos ko na. Okay. So, ingatan nyo. Ganun lang yun eh. Kasi may prevention naman talaga is better than cure. Okay. Yung iba kasi, ginagawa nilang maintenance ang rejuve. Hindi maintenance ang rejuve. Okay. Hindi sila nagsa-sunscreen. Okay. Hindi sila nagpapayong. Okay. Hindi ako lumalabas ng bahay na walang payong. Umaaraw man yan, umuulan man yan. Okay. Basta lagi akong may payong. Bukod sa sunscreen, may payong ako. Payong is life. Okay. Payong ang isa sa mga sandata mo para ingatan mo ang skin mo. Yun lang. Sana may natutunan ka. And don't forget to follow. Ikaw ang magdadala ng damit at hindi ang damit ang magdadala sa iyo. Kaya nga sa wikang Ingles, are you wearing the dress or is it the dress wearing you? Okay. So ako mga mima, ang ano ko ngayon, ang motto ko is prioritize in comfort and then style. Okay. And then of course, confidence, confidence, confidence. And invest in skincare first before investing in clothes. Although mahilig talaga ako sa clothes. Okay. Learn about what's your personal style and what works sa body type mo. Okay? For example, like ako, malaki yung puwet ko. So, mini skirt does not work for me kasi malaki yung puwet ko, malaki din yung balakang ko. Okay? And yung mga kilala kong malaki ang balakang, malaki din ang hita. So, you should know what works based on your body type. So, meron naman yung mga sino ba yung mga mahahaba ang legs. For example, sila Tony Gonzaga. Si Tony Gonzaga, maganda yung legs niya, mahaba yung legs niya. So, yung mga ganon, bagay nila talaga mag-mini skirt. Gets niyo yun? So, dapat alam mo what works sa body type mo. Kasi yung iba pinipilit nila na, ay mag-mini skirt tayo kahit na, Diyos ko, basta. Maano naman tayo dito, nagpapakabait na ako eh. Hirap maging mababa, ang hirap maging pakabait. Okay, so yun lang. So know what works based on your body type, okay? So, 'wag kang mangopya. Sinabi ko na yun nun 'di ba, kasi yung iba nangongopya sila. So, 'wag kayong nangongopya, you have to learn to curate your own. Your face is your business card. Totoo yun. So may nag-comment niyan sa dun sa video ko kanina, no. So like what I told you guys, no. A glow up is a personal and a professional investment, especially for skin and hair. Okay? Kasi dun talaga ako nag ano. And of course makeup na din. Okay? And clothes it will follow. Okay? But I always do it within the budget pa rin. I still do it within the budget. So like for me na beauty affiliate, I get opportunities to collaborate with brands and I receive PR packages. Pag nakita ng brand na okay ba siya mag-promote ng beauty products, maganda ba ang conversion rate, papakinggan ba siya ng tao kapag nag-promote siya ng beauty products. Like for us na beauty affiliates, like for me, I might attend an event sa Okada or I might attend an event sa Grand Hyatt Hotel. So, syempre, yung itsura ko is my business card online and my business card in person. Ganon din sa inyo guys. Okay? So I don't promote over lifestyle inflation. Do a glow up within your means. When I say do a glow up within your means, unahin nyo kung anong kaya nyo. So like for me guys, I'm an outfit repeater. Hindi ko kinakahiya o ulit-ulit tong dress na to. So hindi naman mahal yung mga damit ko. But you invest in the basics, which is the supplements, the skincare, the makeup. Okay, hindi naman kailangan mahal lahat ng makeup. Okay, hindi naman kailangan branded lahat. Okay. Kasi magagamit mo yan, especially if you are working in the people industry, guys. Okay? So, yun lang. Real talk lang, looks matter. Yun ang masakit na katotohanan, mga mima ko. Okay? Alam nyo ba, nung nag-relaunch ako sa beauty podcast, or before yung launch ko ng beauty podcast, grabe-grabe ang ginastos ko sa skincare at saka supplements. To the point talaga na sinacrifice ko yung traveling at ibang hobbies ko. Okay. Pero nakuha ko ang return of investment ko dahil hindi naman sa pagmamayabang ha. Nakakakuha ako ng mga PR packages at yung mga brands ang nagre-reach out sa akin. Kasi grabe yung iba talaga yung skin ko noon, iba yung skin ko ngayon. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung gusto niyo ng opportunities, gumastos muna kayo, trabahuin niyo muna yung looks ninyo. Kasi may mga opportunities kayo na makukuha. Like ako as a beauty affiliate, guys, napakahirap ng work ko. Okay, kasi paano nga naman bibili yung mga customer sa akin kung hindi ako glowing? Kaya bago ako nag-glow, grabe din yung gastos ko at grabe din yung effort ko. Pera, puhunan, oras, disiplina. So, if you like opportunities to flow, ang masakit na katotohanan is hindi lang utak ang kailangan at hindi lang sipag ang kailangan. Kailangan mo din talaga ng looks ngayon. For a woman to glow, you must give the love that you've been giving others to yourself. Okay. I always remind this to especially women. You know, a glow up is really about self-love. As much as I'd like to say it's about other things, it's just really about self-love. When you love yourself and when you come from a place of peace and you are taking care of yourself and you invest in yourself, it's going to show physically. It's going to show physically no matter what happens. When you pour the love that you give yourself the love that you've been giving others, you're going to glow naturally. Glow up malala. O 'di ba Sisi? O yung mga OG followers ko diyan sa unang account ko, yung na-ban pa na account 'yon, yung unang account. I think that was 2023. So medyo malaki yung difference ng itsura, ng aura ko noon from now. So talagang trinabaho ko 'yun, guys. Hindi siya instant, ang daming struggles, ang daming sacrifices. Okay, dito kasi sa SOCMED, no, ang nakikita nyo yung resulta na, hindi nyo nakikita yung proseso. Okay, yung exercise kahit na pagod ka, yung isa-sacrifice mo yung traveling para mabili ko yung mga skincare and supplements kasi honestly mahilig talaga ako mag-travel. Pero malaki talaga yung sacrifices ko for the before even the launch of the beauty podcast. Kasi nga akala kasi ng mga tao madali talaga siya. Kasi parang pag ginagawa, pag tinitingnan mo yung iba, parang madali lang. Pero pag ikaw na yung gumagawa, mahirap siya, guys. Okay? Nung nung nagsa-start pa lang ako ng glow up ko, wala naman akong PR package at saka wala akong free samples from brands. So lahat talaga nanggaling from my pocket. So meaning lahat talaga ng lahat is nanggaling sa pera ko, okay? So nagpapasalamat ako sa mga brands na nagpapadala ng PR package or ng free sample sa akin. Kaya I continue to promote their products basta maganda yung products. So yun lang. So, porket ginagamit ng famous influencer yung makeup na ganito, yung makeup na ganyan, so susunod na din sila. Okay? The thing is, influencers earn a lot of money by flexing. Okay? Ganun naman ang buhay ng ibang influencers. They flex. That's how they earn money because of your attention. Okay? And if you're a regular person like me, andito tayo para uh, we need to save money and invest money for our future. So, if you're going to spend money, you have to do it intentionally. Like, eto ba, kailangan ko ba to talaga? Okay. Is this really, really, really useful for me? Okay. Do I really, really, really need this? Is it gonna make me feel good and look good? And am I gonna get the ROI? Okay. Ganun kasi ako mag-isip. At saka ako, bago ako bumili ng bagong powder, paubos na yung mga powder ko. So, ganun yung mga i-ano ninyo. Take into consideration. For women doing their glow up, I'm not encouraging you to do lifestyle inflation. I'm encouraging you to be practical with your spending and spend on products and things that you would actually get the ROI, such as your health. Okay? Kasi yung may mga babae na of course, yung akala nila, oh, glow up, you have to go in depth to do a glow up. No, that's not a good glow up. Okay? You still need to learn to save, to prioritize what is important, but to not forget to invest in your looks because you will reap the rewards of investing in your looks. Now, one thing that I do is I'm very, very practical when it comes to clothes. Hindi ako ma-branded na tao. Hindi ako mahilig sa mahal na bag, mamahal na na mga damit. But I invest in health and wellness. Kasi yung skin ko at saka yung buhok ko, yun ang pinakapuhunan ko din. Okay? Dito sa ginagawa ko dito sa beauty podcast. Kasi nga pag supplements yan, usually dapat chine-check ng mga brands yan. Okay, maganda ba yung skin niya? Does she have clear skin? Okay. Dahil usually mag-glutathione, yun naman yung side effect niya talaga. Yung maganda yung skin mo. Okay? So, be wise with your spending. Kasi kung bumibili ka ng 20 lip tints tapos hindi mo naman ginagamit, hindi mo naman siya ginagamit, it's not practical. So, sayang lang yung pera mo. Okay? Ini-encourage ko kayo magpaganda, pero hindi ko kayo ini-encourage mag-lifestyle inflation. You can always start with affordable gluta, affordable collagen, and once your earnings increase, dun na kayo bumili ng mga mahal na collagen and glutathione. Okay? Kasi nag-start din naman talaga ako sa mura na glutathione. Not mura na collagen na. Kasi back in the day, uh, 2,000 pa yon. Oh my God, I'm so old. Okay. Wala talagang local brands. It's all US yung mga collagen ko. So I'm using US collagen way, way back. So as I was saying, you can start small. Okay, so be practical first when it comes to your supplements and skincare. Pero not to the point naman na super yung quality. Okay, kasi minsan may mga brands na super mura pero sira naman yung mukha mo. Di pag pinaayos mo yung balat mo, edi mas mahal. Okay? May mga local brands that are affordable, okay? Pero maganda yung quality nila. That's what I'm also telling people. You cannot also compromise quality, no? So the reason for that I'm encouraging people not to do lifestyle inflation, especially yung mga beauty products na super mahal and then you cannot maintain it, is para ka rin lang nagsayang ng pera. So for example, nagsimula ka sa mahal na gluta. Okay, tapos hindi mo siya na-maintain long term. Babalik ka sa dati. You get what I mean? Kasi you're just getting the side effects of the supplement. This is why I always tell people to work hard on your finances. Marami ng racket ngayon. Ako lahat ng racket kinukuha ko na. Okay, magbenta dito sa TikTok, mag-YouTube, magturo, okay, magbenta ng damit. Okay, so raketera kasi ako basta I can survive and thrive. Okay? So that I can maintain myself, no? So ganun din yung ko sa inyo, avoid lifestyle inflation kasi pag ginawa niyo yan, sira ang inyong finances talaga. But always look at yourself kasi as an investment. Basta makukuha niyo din naman yung return of investment niyo. Basta may patience kayo. Okay? Kasi ang pagpapaganda, hindi naman yan agad-agad yung results. Kahit nga pagpapapayat, hindi. Kahit pagpapayaman, hindi. Wala namang overnight success. Ang daming pawis, ang daming hirap na pagdadaanan mo bago marating yung paroroonan mo. Okay, gano'n din sa glow up, guys. Now, one thing that I do is I'm very practical with clothes, 'no. Hindi mahal yung mga damit ko. Usually nag-aantay ako ng 50% off or gagamitin ko yung mga points ko sa Shein. Alam niyo naman yung sa Shein app, 'di ba, nag-iipon-ipon ka ng points do'n. So, gano'n yung mga para may discount ka, gano'n yung mga ano, diskarte ko or usually ang ginagawa ko is ibebenta ko muna yung old clothes ko tapos 'pag nabenta ko na, do'n na lang ako bibili ng bago, pangbagong clothes. Okay, so be practical. Okay, kasi yung iba, hindi sila practical, 'no. So, porket ginagamit ng famous influencer yung makeup na ganito, yung makeup na ganyan, so susunod na din sila. Okay. The thing is, influencers earn a lot of money by flexing. Okay. Gano'n naman ang buhay ng ibang influencers. They flex. That's how they earn money because of your attention. Okay. And if you're a regular person like me, andito tayo para uh, we need to save money and invest money for our future. Okay. So, if you're going to spend money, you have to do it intentionally. Like, eto ba, kailangan ko ba to talaga? Okay. Is this really, really, really useful for me? Okay. Do I really, really, really need this? Is it gonna make me feel good and look good? And am I gonna get the ROI? Okay. Ganun kasi ako mag-isip. At saka ako, bago ako bumili ng bagong powder, paubos na yung mga powder ko. So, ganun yung mga i-ano ninyo, take into consideration.